Hey guys, welcome back. So I was gonna wait until I finish completely my project, but I just sometimes get so excited that I want to show you guys. I'm working on a swap with Amy. She's Fairy Kisses to You, and we're doing 12 Days of Christmas. So I'm kind of starting my project, and I decided to do like cracker boxes and a little advent calendar. So let me show you for now what I have. Let me just move this here. Okay, so I have this really cute tag, and this is from Surprise Creations. Really cute. Then I made this cracker box using the We Are Memory Keepers candy punch board. And everything is empty. I haven't filled anything up yet. I'm just showing you the boxes. And it came out really cute. The Merry Christmas is from Surprise Creations. Super cute. Then, so I have that. And then I have this. Again, I'm not completely finished. I still want to decorate it. And it opens up here. And this one's totally inspired by Linda Parker. You push it through here. And then there's a box that comes out through here. Okay, and then it opens up and I'll put goodies in there. So that goes in there. Okay, I love that. Then this is another box, another cracker box. And it's this one, also inspired by Linda Parker. She has a tutorial on how to make this. And this one opens like this. So you pull this out and you have goodies in there. Okay. But this is also a box. So you open it this way. Which way? Let me see. Oh, here. So you open it through here and you put goodies in there too. So it's like you get a double box. So you put goodies in here, goodies in there, and then it's like your little topper. Isn't it cute? Oh my God, like I love this one. Really, really love this one. Okay. So then we got that. And again, I'm going to fill these up with goodies. So I'm sure she'll do a video on her channel when she gets it. But for now, I just get so excited. Okay, so let me just move things around. Then this one here, I made a little advent calendar. And I was inspired by Doodlebug Design. They posted a picture of an advent calendar. And because me and Amy are doing 12 Days of Christmas, I was like, oh my God, I'm going to make her a little book. So, of course, I'm using the Frank Garcia Dulce collection. And I literally just finished making this. So I still have all that white stuff that's going to like blend in because that's just glue with all the glitter. So this is the front. So this is the back. I added that really cute trim. And then this little unicorn horse is from my collection, from a mold. And also these flowers also. And then to color the unicorn, I used this right here. And it's rose gold. And then the trim is from AliExpress. All the flowers are from the Dulce collection. And then when you open it, it looks like this. Okay. And of course, it turned into a knot. Nothing easy happens when I'm doing a video, I swear. Okay, hold on. Wasn't supposed to be a knot. It was a nice little bow. Okay, so you open the box. And then it opens like this. Isn't this cute? Oh my God, I love it. Okay, so I have 12 boxes. I still have to put the numbers and everything. Each box opens like that. Okay. Obviously, there's nothing in there yet. See? So all the boxes open. I'm going to put a number, which I don't even know why I'm making this video. I just get so excited. But anyway, I'm going to put 12 numbers on each box. I'm not sure if I'm doing anything in the middle yet. Maybe I might put her name in the middle. And then fill each box with goodies. I might put like some flowers from the Dulce collection, some embellishments. So you have 12 boxes of goodies, and then the back is like that. And I think it just came out so freaking adorable. And then you tie it up, you make your little pretty bow again. And that is it. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this box. It's super, super cute. So this is, for now, my little collection. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.